Hello everyone and welcome to our new tutorial on Reclaim AI. Reclaim AI, an innovative AI scheduling tool for Google Calendar. Visit the Reclaim AI website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose to connect your Google Work account. Click on Continue. Select your use case for using Reclaim AI. Choose your role and department. Optionally, select your goals. Browse through the provided template habits. Add habits such as lunch, morning catch-up, afternoon catch-up, and weekly status reports to your calendar. Click Continue. Add buffer time around your appointments or tasks as needed. Create a team and invite your coworkers for a collaborative experience. Click Finish. Reclaim AI will now set up your calendar according to the preferences you've selected. In the Site panel, click on Planner. Here, you will see your selected habits and preferences displayed on the calendar. Click New Task at the top right corner of the planner. Enter the title, duration, and due date for the task. Click Create, and Reclaim AI will schedule it accordingly. You can drag and drop tasks across the calendar for any modifications. In the side panel, explore sections like Priorities, Stats, and Habits. In Priorities, customize your priorities according to your needs. Use Tasks and Habits sections for review and reporting. Your Reclaim calendar is synced with your Google Calendar. Changes made in Reclaim AI will be reflected in real time in your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.